this video from Device Doctor, we will show you how to remove and reinstall the toner cartridge and drum unit in the HP LaserJet Pro MFP M227 series printers.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
When you power on the printer, you might see a message saying Install Imaging Drum, even though both the toner and drum are already installed. This usually happens because the connection between the toner and drum is not seated properly. To begin fixing this issue, lift the scanner cover to access the inside of the printer. Then, carefully remove both the toner cartridge and the drum unit from the printer. Now, place the drum unit back into the printer and press it gently to make sure it is seated properly. It should click slightly when it is locked in the correct position. Next, insert the toner cartridge in the same way. It requires less pressure than the drum, so place it gently until it sits perfectly in place. Now, wait a few moments while the printer initializes. During this time, it will detect and recognize the toner and drum properly before it becomes ready to print. Now, print a test page to make sure the printer is working properly. If the page comes out clear and clean, your printer is all set and ready to use. As you can see, the test page printed perfectly, confirming that the toner and drum are working correctly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tutorials from Device Doctor.